Yes, a mistrial in the case of a Lawrence County man accused of killing his wife less than 2 months after their wedding.
After nearly 2 weeks of testimony from the prosecution and defense, jurors told the judge they could not reach a unanimous decision. Madison Ricks was in court today and tells us what happened.
Minutes passed into hours as Tiffany Scarborough's family and friends waited for a verdict that never came.
Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you. You tried, you came, you did everything we asked you to do. I know this wasn't an easy case. Sometimes this happens.
The jury started their deliberations Monday afternoon and continued them Tuesday, but still no decision on whether they believe Ben Whitaker is guilty in the murder of his wife.
It is the law that a unanimous verdict is required. While this verdict must be the conclusion of each juror and not a mere acquiescence of the jurors in order to reach an agreement, it is nevertheless necessary.
As time continued, the juror seats remained empty with no verdict in sight, and jurors sending several notes to the judge. He says they need to come to a decision.
This case has been exhaustively and carefully tried by both sides and has been submitted to you for your decision and verdict if possible, and not for disagreement.
At noon, the jurors came back. They said they were deadlocked with an 11-1 vote. Hilton said he didn't know whether the majority wanted to convict or acquit.
And the jurors' response is that more time would not be helpful and that they are hopelessly deadlocked. In an exercise of my discretion, I find that the jury is hopelessly deadlocked, and I'll declare a mistrial as to all counts.
Now the judge has declared a mistrial, and Tiffany's family shed tears and shared hugs as they hope for a new trial and a final decision. Reporting in Dublin, Madison Ricks, 13 WMAZ News.
Madison tried to speak with Tiffany's family and the attorneys, but none would comment.
And that's because the case could be headed back for a retrial. Judge Helton said a retrial could happen as soon as January.